In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1160 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there. Please copy it. Once you have copied it, directly navigate here at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Double tap to continue. So in a few moments, you would be navigated to the Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to proceed to the Windows search bar being placed at the top, hit the backspace to clear it, and make a right click and click on paste. Once you have pasted the link, click on the enter key on the keyboard so that you would be navigated to the result. So you can see a download option, click on this download and it would be you would be navigated to the process where it would be downloaded. Okay, so we just have to wait until it would be downloaded. In my case, I have already downloaded it, but in your case, if not, then download it. Okay, once done, you need to copy and paste it here to the desktop. Okay, then you need to proceed on the extraction of the file by making a right click here and go with extract all. Okay, click on it, or either you can use the WinRAR tool to extract the zip file. So go with extract to HP LaserJet 1160 printer driver. Now, once you have extracted there here, okay, if it's taking some time to show up, the extracted file has been taking some time to show up, you can manually check it by bringing up your file explorer and navigate to the desktop. Please click on it, and from here you can check the extracted file. Okay, once done, please close the window, and this is the time that we will now start the installation. So by that, please navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. So here at the settings window, please proceed directly to the left side of that. You can see there Bluetooth and devices. Click on it, and from here please choose for printers and scanners, and you can get an option like add device. So click on this one and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. So once it's here, click on it and please proceed to add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this dollar key and use among of this three USB port as your printer port. Click on next. Go with have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desk to navigate to the desktop, click on it. Scroll down, please proceed to the extracted file and it will show you the driver. Click on open and click on OK. So eventually you can see all of the printers. Just navigate or locate for our printer, which is the Epson, the HP, sorry for that, HP LaserJet 1160. Now we just have to locate for it. So once you have find it, you can now click on next, go with next, and it will now start in the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next, go with finished. And there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1160 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.